Okay, viewers, we are now here in the deck of the Norwegian Bliss. This is the top portion here. There's a laser tag here inside. There you go. And this is the water park. Where everybody enjoy the heat before the fall season starting next week, October. Today is September 21st. And this is the waterfront of Seattle, Washington, USA. There you go. Give you a tour here. Look at the Space Needle here. Downtown Seattle. Go. Sit. The waterfront. These are the people here. The waterfront of Seattle, Washington. Here you go. Beautiful, beautiful sky. Blue. Alright, keep going, keep walking. Yeah.
Yan pala yung laser tag.
Emergency exit. Yeah.
Laser tag.
Laser tag room. There's a sauna here. Careful coming down. Go. Thank you for watching.